operators, relational operators. Third category, logical operators. Third category, logical operators. First one you have seen arithmetic operators. Second one you have seen relational operators. Okay. Third one logical operators. See, operator meaning. Here operator and meaning. Two ampersand symbols, that is logical and. Two pipe symbols, logical or. This is logical not. Logical and, logical or, logical not. Okay. So write it. The above all logical operators are also return Boolean value. Boolean value. So it is also going to return true or false. Logical operators. So you can use two operands. Here two operands, here two operands. It's a one operand. It's a unary. Say logical and logical or operators are binary operators. Logical not operator is unary operator. Unary operator. Logical and logical or, these two operators are binary operators. Logical not operator is unary operator. You already studied unary, binary, ternary. If the operator operating on only one operand, unary. If the operator operating on two operands, binary. The operator operating on three operands, ternary. Okay. So here two binary operators are there. One unary operator is there. Logical and, logical or, logical not. For this, tables are there. See, logical and table, logical or table. I'll give logical and, logical or, logical not. According to this table, it works. Say here, true, false, true, false, true, I'll explain. Just I'm writing. Now I'll explain Okay, I'll explain. Just write. Just you wait. I'll explain first. After explanation, I'll give a time for writing. Then you write. Okay. You observe. It is logical and operator. It is logical or operator. It is logical not operator. Okay. Logical and logical or logical not. Now, logical and operator. Say true and true. It will be true. True and true. It will be true. True and false. It will be false. False and true. False. False and false. False. Here only one point. Both are true, then only true. If both are true, then only true. Remaining all false. Okay. But just reverse here. If both are false, then only false. Remaining all true. Here, if both are true, then only true. Okay. True and true. It will be true. True and false. False. False and true. False. False and false. False. So, if both are true, then only true. Here, if both are false, then only false. Remaining true. So, true or true, it will be true. True or true, it will be true. True or false, also true. False or true, it will be true. If both are false, then only false. Here, if both are false, then only false. Remaining all true. Okay. Here, true becomes false, false becomes true. Not true, false. Not false, true. Now write it. Logical and logical or logical not. Now note down. Logical and logical or logical not. This category also very simple, but next category more concentration required. Increment, decrement. This category also very simple. I'll explain with examples. Logical and logical or logical not. So logical and, if both are true, then only true. Remaining all false. Logical or, if both are false, then only false. Remaining all true. Logical not, true becomes false, false becomes true. Just reverse. Okay. True becomes false, false becomes true. The logical not. This is, remember, I'll show you. Is it over? No. Say examples. Say integer a equal to 7, b equal to 5, c equal to 2. A value 7, b value 5, c value 2. Here, you observe, here what I'm doing is a greater than b and A greater than C. I'm writing. Okay. Now here integer if you write, you'll get error because it is going to return true or false only. True or false means which data type you have to write? Boolean. Boolean. Boolean something D equal to. Now here it is relational operator. It is relational operator. It is logical operator. Now two expressions I'm comparing. Two expressions. A greater than B. 7 greater than 5. It is true. A greater than C. 7 greater than 2. It is true. True and true. True. If I print, you'll get a true. Okay. But it should be Boolean only because already given. The above all logical operators also return Boolean values. The above all logical operators are also written Boolean value. Okay. Now, logical and logical OR operators, binary operators. It is one operand, it is one more operand. Two operands I'm using. Operand means not only variable, not only literal. Expressions also operand. That is already given. While teaching unary, binary, ternary, at the time, operand can be a variable, operand can be a literal, operand can be a expression. So this operator operating on two expressions now. Okay. This operator operating on two expressions. Now this operator operating on two variables. Okay. This operator operating on two variables, but this operator operating on two expressions. So operand can be a variable, operand can be a literal, operand can be an expression. But operator is symbols only. Okay. So here A greater than 7, A greater than B, 7 greater than 5, true. 7 greater than 2, true. True and true, it will be true. So this output is true. This output is true. Okay. This is logical AND operator example. It is nothing very simple. Okay. But you can also write like this also. Suppose Boolean A equal to true, B equal to false, Boolean C equal to A or B. Like this also you can write. System.out.println C. So what is output comes here? True, false. What is output? True. Because OR, logical OR. Okay. So directly Boolean values also you can write. Valid. Like this also valid. Okay. Suppose third one. Third one, int A equal to 5, B equal to 10. Okay. Boolean C equal to A greater than B. Here I am writing not. System.out.println C. Think yourself and give me answer. What is output comes? True or false? True. So A greater than B. 5 greater than 10. False. Not false. True. So at last true only comes. Okay. Is it clear? Now here, just I'll give little bit confusion concept I'll give, but concept is nothing. Confusion, only confusion. Okay. This category very simple. This category very simple. If both are true, is there true in an AND operator? And the OR operator, if both are false, then only false. And not operator, true becomes false, false becomes true. That's it. Very simple. Okay. Now, I'll give little bit confusion concept. Confusion, only confusion, not complicated. Easy only, confusion will be there. See, suppose Boolean true equal to true. Okay. Boolean false equal to true. Okay. Boolean null equal to true and false. System dot out dot println null. Give me answer. It is not complicated. It is only confusion. See, trues also giving, false also, error also. 3 answers are there. It is not complicated. It is confusion only. So online also 42 messages came. Here also error came, true came, false came. True also, false also, error also. 1 minute. 1 minute, 1 minute. Now, how many people answer is true? Just raise your hand, online students also. Okay. Next, how many people answer is false? Just raise your hand. Okay. How many people answer is error? Just raise your hand. Okay. Majority people give an answer true. Majority people give an answer true. Okay. Next, false also and error also almost same given. And some more people not given answer. My eyes on everyone. Okay. So your answer, it can be right or wrong. Nothing will happen. If you give wrong answer also, nothing will happen. At least give answer. Okay. Involve in a class and give answer. It will be useful. Okay. You will get a thinking power. That power is required. Logical thinking is required. Okay. Daily, if you think, you will get a thinking power. The thinking power will increase. With that, in an interview, if any new question comes, for that one also you can give answer. If you have a thinking power. Okay. Say, majority people given true and a few students given false, few students given error, few students not given answer. Okay. Now, those who given error, for them one more question, why error? These all not possible. Identify. Now, is this keyword? No. I given capital letter. T capital I given. Here F capital I given. N capital I given. Are these keywords? No. Are these literals? No. 50 keywords you cannot use as identifier. True, false, null. Those 3 we cannot use as identifier. But I given capital letter. That is valid, no? It is valid. If I write like this, error. If I write like this, error. But if I write like this, it is valid. If I write T small letter, error. True cannot be used as identifier. but this true can be used. Suppose here if you write T capital letter error, that starting 10 examples again, no? Before starting uh, this one type conversion, 10 examples are given, you can see. So in this program there is no error, there is no error. Okay, now here true and false. Now here true and false, what are these? Variables or literals? Here true and false, whatever is selected, variables or literals? Variables. Now this true, what it contains? True. This false, what it contains? True and true. What null contains? True. Output is true. Got your point? So it is valid. So output is true. It is nothing but true is a variable. True is a variable which contains true. False is a variable. False is a variable which contains true. Okay. True and true. Result stored in null. True and true, result stored in null. It is valid. There is no mistake. There is no error. So valid. Okay. So true contains true, false contains true, and true will become true. Okay. True and true, true. Is it complicated or only confusion? Confusion only, that's it. It is not complicated. Okay. Here just a little confusion concept, that's it. But confusion concept also interview question. Complicated also interview question. If confusion is there, you have to concentrate. Complicated is there, you have to concentrate. That type question only interview question. But while doing BTech, while reading, confusion comes, we'll skip. Complicated comes, we'll skip. But that is only how to focus more and more for getting job. Confusion questions only interview questions. Complicated questions only interview questions. On that only you have to focus more. Okay. Is it clear? Now, any doubt? Is it clear? Okay. See, how many categories completed operators? 3 categories completed. Okay. Already I told you sudden test I'll conduct. I said no. Today test. Okay. Sudden test already I told. Now one small test. Whatever you studied. Here 12 questions are there. 12 questions. It's not visible. Now is it visible? Okay. 12 questions are there. Okay. 12 questions. 12 minutes time. Okay. 12 questions are there. 12 questions are there. 12 minutes time I'll give. 12 questions, 12 minutes time. Like if compiles and execute, you have to write the output. If not executes, you have to write the error. Okay. Like 12 minutes time, you have to write answers. After 12 minutes, I'll explain. Then how many marks you got it, you have to check it out. Online students also, no need to write answers in a chat box. Online students don't write answers in a chat box. Just write in your paper or book. Now 7:40 you can start. 12 minutes time. Okay. Now I'll zoom it. First 3 questions you can write or 6 questions. No. You can start. 1 minute, 1 minute. First you stop discussion. Whatever you know, that is write it. Don't discuss with your friend. Okay? Don't discuss with your friend. Whatever you know, that is write it. Okay? Whatever you know, that is write it. Yeah, I'll zoom. So don't discuss with your friends. First stop discussion. No. You can start. 12 minutes time. So 1, 2, 3, write it. Fourth one I'll open. After writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I'll give. First is stop discussion, stop discussion. If you discuss with your friend, it is no use. It's a my time waste, your time waste. If you do like that. Whatever you know, that is write it. If it is zero, if you get a 0 marks also, nothing will happen. Okay, if you get a 0 also, nothing will happen. You try to write. At least for next exam, you can prepare. That status will get it. How much preparation required, you'll understand. So first you write, otherwise 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, you write it better. This 7, 4, 8, I'll show you. One, two, three, 5, 6, 7. Otherwise, you can see now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up to 8 you can see. Hmm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remaining 4 I'll show you. If error is there, write error. If output comes, write output. So only valid, invalid, don't write. If valid, output, write it. Invalid, write error. If you get a 0 also, nothing will happen. Don't discuss with your friends. You 3 members not listening. You 3 members not listening. My eyes on everyone. Okay, just you write 8. Completed. Better. Okay. All 12 visible now. All visible now. Okay. If you get a 0 also, nothing will happen. Don't discuss with your friend. Whatever you know, that is try to write. So every week one exam will be there. every week. Monday to Saturday, one day suddenly I'll conduct sudden test. I won't inform. And a weekly one assignment will be there. Assignment next week I'll start. Weekly one exam, weekly one assignment. Online students also write your answers in notebook or paper. Don't write in chat box. Seven minutes completed, still 5 minutes left. Those who completed also, once you check it out. Stop discussions. Okay, don't discuss with your friends. So if you discuss with your friend, you will not get your status. That is no use. My time waste, your time waste. This is for checking your status. If you get a 0 also, nothing will happen. Three minutes left. 3 minutes left. 7:40 you started up to 7:52. 2 minutes left. Just 1 minute left. Okay, stop writing. See, now I'll explain and I'll give answers also. See, first one, you observe byte A equal to 65, character B equal to A. It is byte to character or character to byte? Byte to character comes under 19 conversions or 23 conversions? 23 conversion. Byte to character comes under 23 conversion. 23 conversions must be done by programmer explicitly. So first one, error. First one, error. Okay. Second one, byte to integer. Second one, byte to integer. Byte to integer, is it comes under 19 or 23? 19. If you do explicitly, also valid. Okay. So byte to integer actually like this not required. Even if you write also, nothing will happen. So it is valid. So what is the output? This one, 10. Third one, character to integer. Character to integer comes under 19 or 23? 19. So it is valid, no? Valid. What is the output comes? What is it? 67, not C, because we are printing integer. So 67. So output is 67. Fourth one, int A equal to 1, boolean B equal to A, system dot out dot println A. It comes under 14 conversion. Integer cannot be converted to boolean. So it's an error. So fourth one, error. Fifth one, why error? Even first line also error is there. Here compulsory F required. That is one error. Float to integer also error only. So at last error only. Sixth one, double to integer. Double to integer explicit required 23. Double to integer explicit. Explicit also is there. It is valid or not? Valid. What is the output? 4 comes. 0.3 truncated. Okay. Output 4. Seventh one, float to integer. It comes under 19 or 23? 23. Must be done by programmer explicitly. So error. Seventh one, error. Eighth one. Eighth one, integer to long. Integer to long. 19 or 23? 19. 19 no? Valid. So output is 10. Ninth one. Short A equal to 99. Character B equal to character of A. It is explicit conversion also is there. Short to character. So what is output? Small c. 97 small a. 98 small b. Okay. 99 small c. 10th one. Boolean A equal to true. Boolean B equal to A. System dot out dot println B. True. Here it is not conversion. Same assignment. Boolean to Boolean. Okay. No error that is. So true stored in B. So true printed. Because there is same type. Now integer to character. explicitly converted. So what is output? Small b, small b. Okay, small b. Now 12th one, character to integer, character to integer 19, character to integer 19, explicitly not required, but if you write also valid. So what is output? 97. How many marks you got it? Check it out. Online student, just respond in a chat box. How many you got it? Online students. Okay, okay. Now, those who got 10, 10 and above, just raise your hand. 10 and above. 10 and above. 10, 11, 12. Okay. 10, 11, 12. Okay. Now, those who got 5 to 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. See, based on this marks, you'll understand your status. At least based on that, for next exam, you can prepare. Okay. So that's what, while writing exam, don't discuss with your friends. Your status purpose only. If you get a 0 also, nothing will happen. If you get a 0 also, nothing will happen. Okay. Now, in this, any doubts are there? Any doubts are there in 12? In this 12, any doubts are there? So everything I explained already. Okay. Now, so these all I explained. Once you check it out notes, if you have a doubt, you'll understand. Which one? First one. 8. This one. Integer to long, it comes under 19. So 10 will be stored. L is required if out of integer range. If the number is out of integer range is there, then L required. For variable plus L, you should not write. Only literal if you write, then required. Okay. ASCII values. ASCII values already given. 65 capital A. 97 small a. 48 0. Okay. Now, next concept, increment decrement operators. Next node on increment and decrement operators. Increment and decrement operators. If any doubts are there, just refer the notebook, you'll understand. Still, if you get a doubt, you can mail to my mail ID also. This is my mail ID. Okay. If any doubts are there, technical doubt, any doubt, you can mail to my mail ID. But non-technical doubt, contact admin. Okay. Technical doubt, you can mail to my mail ID. Non-technical doubts, contact admin. Say operator, 2 plus symbols, increment. increment by 1. 2 minus symbols, decrement by 1. These operators are unary operators. These operators are unary operators. So operates on only one operand. But here, this is, you have to listen with more concentration, because here it is also confusion concept. Now, here plus plus a also we can write, a plus plus also we can write. Okay, that's what confusion will be there. Minus minus a minus minus. This is called pre-increment. This is called post-increment. This is called pre-decrement. This is called post-decrement. Pre-increment, post-increment, pre-decrement, post-decrement. These two operators are unary operators, which will operate on only one operand. Okay, which will operate on only one operand. 2 plus symbols if you write increment, 2 minus symbols if you write decrement. Okay, before variable if you write pre, after variable if you write post. I'll explain the difference between pre and post with examples. You have to listen with more concentration. Okay, you have to listen with more concentration. So this operator, before variable if you write pre, after variable if you write post. Same, this operator before variable if you write pre, after variable if you write post. Okay, I'll explain with examples. Okay, pre and post. I'll explain. Pre-increment examples. Here post-increment examples. First listen, I'll give time for writing. Listen. Okay, first listen. It is also confusion concept. Listen with more concentration. Okay, listen with more concentration. This side pre-increment example, that side post-increment examples. Now see. First example. Don't write, just listen. Don't write. Okay. Now, int a equal to 5. Int a equal to 5. After this, plus plus a. Okay. System dot out dot println a. Okay. Now, here int a equal to 5. Here a plus plus. System dot out dot println a. You observe. Here I given pre. There I given post. Okay. See, pre-increment and post-increment. What's the difference? With 3 examples, I'll explain. 3 examples. It is first example. Now see, first line int a equal to 5. Second line increment operator is there. But only incrementation part only is there. No other operation. Okay. Here also only incrementation operation only is there. No other operation. Now only increment is there, one type. Other operations are there, one more type. That is the reason you have to listen with more concentration. Okay. See, first of all, here memory allocated to A. Here a value 5, a value 5, int a equal to 5, like this, plus a, it is incremented by 1, it will become 6. Okay, here you'll get output 6. Now int a equal to 5, here again same a, see a in this, a value 5, here also a plus plus, just incremented by 1, it will become 6. Here output 6. So if it is like this, no difference between pre and post, if it is like this. Okay, now here output is 6, here also output is 6. In this situation there is no difference. Okay, now here only increment in this line, in that line only incrementation is there. Here also in this line only incrementation part is there. In this situation it can be pre-increment or post-increment, both are same, no change. Okay, it is incremented by 1, here it is incremented by 1, there is no difference. Suppose if it is one more example, see second example, integer a equal to 5, here int b equal to plus a, see system dot out dot println a, system dot out dot println b. Here incrementation is there, assignment is there. Now it is pre. Here one more post, int a equal to 5, int b equal to a plus plus, into system dot out dot println a, system dot out dot println b. Now you observe. Now you observe here first a value, a value 5, a value 5. Okay, now b. Now you observe first int a equal to 5, a value 5, int b equal to plus a. Is it pre or post? Pre. It is pre. Then what will be happen is this part first incremented, so it will become 6, it will become 6. Okay, after this value stored in b, this value stored in b. So first pre-increment, first increments, then stored in b. So b value also 6. Here if you try to print, here output is 6, here also 6, it is also 6, it is also 6. But in this case you observe, in this case you observe a, first memory allocated 5. Okay, here b. Now first a value 5, a value 5. Here it is pre-increment or post-increment? Post-increment. So first of all this value copied in b. Okay, that means 5 copied in b, so it will be 5. After that it is incremented, because post-increment, incrementation part postponed later. So now it will become 6. Now it will become 6. System dot out dot println a, what is there? 6. 6 is there. System dot out dot println b, what is there? 5. So in this situation pre and post is different. So it is pre-increment, first increments, later assign. In this line 2 operations are there. Increment operator is there, assignment operator is there, normal assignment. So It is pre-increment. That's what first increments. In this pre-increment, first increments. So plus plus A. It will become 6. This result stored in B. So 6. That's what output 6 and 6. But in this case, it is post increment. Incrementation postponed later. So first A value copied in B. So 5 copied in B. After that, it will become 6. That's what A value 6, B value 5. Okay. Now, one more example. One more. With these 3 examples, you'll get a more clarity. Suppose integer A equal to 5. System dot out dot println A plus plus A. Okay. Here, third one. Integer A equal to 5. Here, system dot out dot println A plus plus. Now, in this case, you observe first A equal to 5. So A value 5. A value 5. Now, A value 5. Is it pre-increment or post-increment? Pre-increment. So first it is incremented. So it will become 6. It will become 6. After print incrementing, output comes. So then output is 6. So this output is 6. Okay. Now here int A equal to 5. A value 5. Here A value 5. It is pre-increment or post-increment? That's what it will do. First it will print. You will get a 5. After printing, this memory value changed. It will become 6. So this is incremented later. So first case, there is no difference. Second and third, difference is there. In first case, there is no other operation. Only increment. That's it. If only incrementation is there, then there is no difference between pre and post. If any other operation is there, then effect will be there. Difference will be there. So in second case, what is there? Incrementing is there, assigning is there. In that situation, pre means first incremented. Post means later incremented. In this case, third case, incrementing is there, printing also is there. That means 2 operations are there. Incrementing is there, printing is there. Pre means first increments. Post means incrementation later. After printing, incremented. So third case, what is happened? You observe in A value here also 6, here also 6. But output here 6, here output 5. But memory not considered. Output only important. Okay. Now, this is the main difference between pre and post. Clear? More than one operation is there, then only pre and post are different. Otherwise, same. In first case, there is no other operation, only incrementation part. That's what same. Okay. Just write this one. Like this only, decrement will be there. Write this one. One minute. So more than one operation is there. More than one operation is there. Pre and post difference will be there. Only one operation is there. No difference. So memory allocations, everything write it. So while writing also discussion. First you stop discussions. While teaching also discussion, while conducting exam also discussion, while writing also discussion. See, after class, whatever you want, you can discuss. But in a classroom, don't discuss. Okay? See, you listen, your friend will listen. After completion of class, what you understood, what your friend understood, you discuss. Okay? It will be better. Suppose you are discussing in a classroom means you are not listening, your friend is not listening. Later, what will discuss? Nothing. No use. That's it. Okay? After class, what you understood, what your friend understood, discuss. It will be better. But in a classroom only if you discuss, you will not get a subject, your friend will not get a subject. Okay? My time wasted, your time wasted. Everything is wasted. If you do like this. See, this is increment, decrement. In first case, only incrementation. Here also only incrementation. In that situation, it can be pre or post. Both are same. Okay. In second case, Second case, here incrementing is there, assigning is there. Here incrementing is there, assigning is there. Pre means first increments. Post means incrementation later. That's what difference result. Here third case also, printing is there, incrementing is there. So printing, incrementing, it is directly system.out.println. So pre-increment means first increments, then prints. Post increments means first prints, later increments. The difference. Okay. We'll see continuation tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll see. Online student, just wait 5 minutes. Online students, online student, just wait 5 minutes. Now you can ask your question, Neha. What is your doubt? I didn't understand. What is your doubt, Neha? No one is giving response. You said like, yeah. Just what is your doubt? No, myself, I am not going to add. 1 minute, Neha. That my duty is only technical. Google Classroom, admin will take care. Admin will take care. Okay, admin will take care. Next, one by one. One by one, I'll clarify your doubts. One by one, I'll clarify your doubts. Muhammad Itesham. Yeah, practicing purpose, you need to wait. These all null already explained. Already explained. It's not a new question. True, false, null, already explained. Class to class relation will be there. Okay. Google Classroom link, I am not responsible. You need to contact admin only. So admin will give. Yeah. Offline, online, same fees. Yeah, Muhammad Itesham. I'll share videos in a Google Classroom up to here. You can watch. You'll understand. It is not one-to-one training to unmute because many students will ask. That's the reason. If any doubts are there, you can mail to my mail ID or you can ask in a chat box.